In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format numbers, dates, and currency. By the end, you'll know how to make your spreadsheet data clean, consistent, and easy to read so your sheets look professional and calculations behave as expected. Let's start with the basics. Click on Number. This opens the quick formatting option in your toolbar and sets your selected values to a plain number format. You'll see just the digits, without currency symbols or date formatting. This is a great baseline for data you'll use in formulas, charts, or summaries. If some values display lots of decimal places, that's okay for now. The key is that they're recognized as numbers, not text. You can always adjust decimals later to match the level of precision you need. Now click on Format in the top menu. This is where all your formatting styles live, and it gives you more control than the toolbar. From here, click on Date. Applying a date format ensures your entries are treated as actual dates rather than text, which helps with sorting, filtering, and date math, like adding days or calculating durations. Keep in mind that the display style may vary based on your locale settings. Some regions show month first, others day first, but the underlying value remains a valid date. If a value doesn't change after you format it, it might be stored as text. That can happen if there's a leading apostrophe or an inconsistent pattern, and it's worth tidying up later for consistency. Next, click on Format again to move on to Currency. Then click on Custom Currency. This opens a chooser where you can review how your amounts will appear. You'll typically see options for the currency symbol, the number of decimal places, and how negative numbers are displayed. The preview helps you confirm you're getting the look you want before applying it broadly. Choosing a consistent currency style prevents confusion when sharing reports and makes totals and subtotals easier to scan. Once you're happy with the currency settings, click on Apply. Your selected values will immediately update to the chosen currency format. This final step ties everything together. Numbers remain calculation friendly, dates become sortable and comparable, and currency values are clearly labeled and aligned with your reporting standards. That's the full process. Using number for clean numeric values, format and date for proper date handling, and format with custom currency, followed by apply to lock in consistent monetary formatting. Follow these steps whenever you prepare data for analysis or presentation, and your spreadsheets will be clearer, more accurate, and much easier for others to understand.